It's all in there, and they're updated. Well, that's 6 hours ago. So there you go. Pretty flipping regularly as well, which I love, because I love not the sound of my own voice, but I love to explain and teach things to people. So do have a look at that. Now, let's go into the markets a bit more. So let's start the webinar. This is usually the first slide I have. If you're looking at momentum, and I'm not, just so you know, everything that I teach on investing is not momentum based, but if you're looking at momentum, these are the momentum ones, not the ones which are crossed out. There's a few here are crossed out, so ignore the crossed out. I told my team to put it together. Okay, you can take a picture and look at them yourself later on. This isn't a momentum one. So I know some of you like your tip sheets. You like your sort of seeking alpha type, the breathless, so I think this is going to go up. So if somebody put a gun to my head and said, which ones over the next 3 to 4 months, and if you wanted to trade, on your own head be it. But the angles we look for any of these are, realistically, can you get 40% to the upside if it continues at a trend that it's historically hit before? Can the stop loss be at 20%, i.e. 2 to 1 reward to risk ratio, such that that is below a recent support, so it really shouldn't go there. And if it does hit the stop loss, don't put more than 1% of your total capital risk losing if it goes to that stop loss. There's your money management rule. There's your risk management rule. But you can't just pick one of them. You got to pick them all. 50%, well, actually 60% of them will go up 40%. 40% of them will drop 20%. You do the math, so that's your annual return. Okay, that's it.